get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one.
Now, in the modern world, wired headphones or earphones had been old-fashioned. It had become very difficult to play any games like CSGO, Fortnite, PUBG and many more in phone with wired headphones or earphones. So what's up guys, Adhiraj here and today I am talking about noise shorts expert in-ear headphones and let's see that it is worth buying or not. So without wasting any more time, just leave a like, subscribe to my channel and well, let's get started. Okay, so this is box of the noise shorts expert and it's looking too catchy, right? Let's quickly talk about the specification and then we will be unboxing it. It has Bluetooth version 5.0 with Bluetooth range of 10 meter. The earbud battery is of 45 mAh each with charging case of 650 mAh. The charging time of earbud is 1.5 hours with playback time of 4 hours. And the company claims that it is full touch control with IPX5 water and sweat resistant. And you can access the Siri or the Google Assistant with the headphones itself. Okay, so now let's check the headphones.
I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. I want it one more time. I really need to make it right. Energy I overdose, cause I'm ready to reload. I need it one more time, but baby then again twice. But I don't know if I'm ready to let go. I'm gonna have you one more time. I'm gonna hit it one more night with you, with you. I am committed cause I know it's you I want. Hope I never see you go home. Oh, come along.
Okay, so now you know the first thing I check while using any kind of audio peripheral is the build quality. And here this earbud has all plastic build and because of its matte color, it looks so premium. But the quality of the plastic should be improved as they are selling at the price bracket of 3699. Now, to turn on the earphones, you have to do nothing. It automatically gets on when you take out the earbuds from the charging case. And as soon as the lights start blinking, what you just need to do is find Shorts Expert in your Bluetooth, and as soon as you get Shorts Expert, just click on that and your device will automatically get connected within 3 to 4 seconds. Okay, so if you want to turn off the earbuds, just you need to do is put them back into the charging case, and if the charging case is discharged, just put the micro USB cable into the port. The full touch controls of the earbud control video play pause, double tap to play the video and double tap to pause the video. With this earbud you can control music volume up and down by just sliding your finger upwards and downwards. With this earbud you can also attend call as it has built-in microphone. What you just need to do is double tap to attend the call and double tap to cancel the call. And you can use Siri or the Google Assistant by just holding the earbuds for 2 to 3 seconds. Okay, so talking about the sound quality, I would say it's not that good for the price you are buying it. This is a double earbud which is suitable for playing games and listening music, and you can also use it to take calls and it works like that. Okay, so now let's do the sound test. You have listened this sound and you probably noticed the difference. Okay, so now let's do the microphone test. Okay, so the sound you are now listening is recorded from this Noise Shot Expert inbuilt mic, and you probably notice the difference. Now, if you will ask me, should I buy this earbud or not? From my side, you shouldn't go for it, as I saw many cons in the earbud. I didn't like the build quality and the sound quality that much, and I suggest you to go for any other earbud at this price range. For me, this earbud was full trash. Well, it's your choice whether you want to go for it or not. Best Buy link is in the description box below. Well, that's pretty much it for today's video. If you guys like the video, leave a like, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. With that being said, this is Adhiraj signing off. I will catch you guys in my next one. Till then, peace out.